Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful bling vase, and so this is the itemized list you're going to need to do this project. Okay, the first thing is you're going to get a very thin tall vase, and this is you can get it at your local 99-cent store. Now next you're going to need to purchase some Mod Podge, a Mod Podge applicator. You're going to need scissors, a glue gun, glue sticks. You're also going to need some type of trim. This is the trim I used and I got it at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some spray adhesive, which could be purchased at any craft store. Then you're going to need silver spray paint, and this I used is Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover, and I got this at Walmart and it's the cheapest there, so go to Walmart. Also, you're going to need this glitter. It's fine glitter, and you can get this as well as Walmart. This is cake sprinkles, and you can get this at the craft store, or you can get it at Walmart or any local grocery store in the grocery store aisle. So you're going to go in your cake aisle for seasonings, and that's what you're going to pick up, okay? Then the next thing you're going to need is these large sequences, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. Again, you can get this at any craft store. So let's get started. This is the base that I used. If you looked at my previous video, you'll see that I just made this vase, but I decided to use a different vase for the setup, so I am going to make this silver so that I can move it into my living room. So that's what I decided to do. So let's get started on the process. Now what I want to do is give it some texture. I'm going to pour it inside of here, the whole thing, okay? And then I am going to just throw in all the glue and put all the glue inside of here that I can. I actually should have got a spoon. So that's what I'm going to do first, okay? Okay. So now that it's dry, we're going to go ahead and start painting it. I am going to add a little bit of fine glitter, just a touch. You're going to need to take the large sequence, and all you're going to do is cut it up in little squares or pieces, any kind of pieces like this, and we're just going to sparingly put it throughout. And how we're going to do that now is I've already kind of done a little bit here. I'm just going to, I was experimenting, so I wanted to see if I would do it. So I'm just going to spray this adhesive in a few places. And I'm just gonna put these sparingly. I don't want them all over the place. They're just gonna be hits of, you know, like kind of like mirror. So they're gonna catch the light and it's gonna look really pretty.